What up with it, y'all? What's going on? What up? Hey, I know it's been a minute since I made a wave video. It's because I've been busy trying to build my empire. I'm just keep it real, straight like that. If you're new to this channel, which I see my channel been growing, and I ain't put a video out in like over a month. I think it's like been 2 months since I put my last video out. This channel has been growing, and I appreciate everybody who subscribed recently, and I appreciate all my past subscribers too. So, like I said, I'm trying to build my empire. What I mean by that is that I own a meal prep company, and I'm also a personal trainer, so I've been trying to get my clientele up and stuff like that, so I can quit the corporation jobs and do my own thing, because I need to pass that shit down to my kids. I need to have something to leave them with when I'm no longer on this earth. So if that's not your goal, then you should really consider doing that. Build your own shit so you can have something to leave other than just bills and other responsibilities like that. But anyway, I know this is a wave channel. Y'all probably like, get to the waves, niggas. What's up? Get to the waves, get to the waves. I got 2 videos that I'm gonna put out this weekend that I've been not working on, but ideas that I had in my head for to produce a nice little video for y'all. One of them is gonna be motivation, and I promise you that's exactly what it is, a motivation video. And I'm gonna just leave it at that, because I don't need nobody seeing this video and then trying to steal my idea or whatnot, because I know they still be on this shit. But the other video is gonna give you what I use for my hair, what I've been using lately. I've been trying out this new product, and it's been working great for me. I never had like a big dandruff issue, but I did used to have a little bit when I would woof. But since I've been using these 2 products together, man, the dandruff has been little to non-existent, man. It's crazy. And I also been using it to kind of grow the hairs on the side, on my right side of my head, because that's the side of my head that grows the least amount of hair. It grows it slow. I'm not losing my hair. It's just everybody got a part in their head or a section in their head that does where the hair doesn't grow as thick as the others. And some people, you got a head and it grows evenly all around, but everybody is not that fortunate. So I'm just rambling on. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna show y'all. I also picked up a new brush from the beauty supply. I'll show y'all that too. It's I guess it's it don't feel hard, but it's a lot more firmer than my other brushes that I have. And I'm gonna try to pump out as many videos as I can, so I can kind of stay relevant in this wave game, because if you don't upload, then you get forgotten about real quick. As y'all can see, I'm still I still stay ragged up. Y'all gotta forgive me, because I'm on my way to work and I'm holding the camera in my hand, so y'all bear with the quality or whatnot. But I still been brushing, not as often as I should, but I still got mad progress from the last video that I uploaded. And I finally closed my crown up, so I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of that in one of the videos that I upload this weekend. I've been having long days, short nights, man. So I'm working all day, and I'm getting maybe about 3-4 hours of sleep. So not much time to brush as long as I want to, but I'm still moving that brush. Also, I've also been taking biotin too, to kind of help grow in the right shallow side of my head. I guess it's been working, because the side of my head ain't so shallow no more, plus on top of the new product I've been using. So I guess the 2 combined together is doing a trick for me. So I'm gonna let you all in on what that is, and maybe y'all will want to try that out. What else I got? Shit. Oh, I'm almost on my way to 1,000 subs, so that's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do once I get to there. I'm not about giving out free shit. Everybody always want free shit, man. What I'm giving y'all right now, which is my time is very, very, very valuable. So that's a gift in itself. I'm just being honest with you, man. I'm not one to hand shit out, man. That's just me. You can call me an ass or whatever, but I'm not the one to just give free shit out. So if somebody was to sponsor me and send me brushes and rags and stuff like that, yeah, now I'll pass that on to the community and do stuff like that. But I'm not about to go in my pocket and basically buy stuff and then give it out to y'all for watching. Like, I'm about making money, not losing it. So if y'all can understand my theory on that, then cool. If not, then sleep on it. Maybe you'll figure it out in the morning. But yeah, I'm not about losing money. I'm about making money. I'm gonna try to upload regularly. I know I said that before, but your boy got a family. He got a career. He got an empire. He trying to get cracking. So y'all gotta bear with me, man. All right. So I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all already know who I am. If you don't know, Swole Waver, Swole's Waver on YouTube. And yeah, that title still stands. Still stands. So y'all leave comments at the bottom. Hopefully positive comments. If not, I get some negative ones. Y'all know I'm gonna fire back at your ass. All my old subscribers know that, so y'all come talking stupid in the comments. I'm gonna talk stupid right back. Alright? So y'all go ahead and get up out of here. I'll get at y'all later. Time to go build this, continue building this empire. Alright? Y'all stay up.